What's up, guys? Welcome to me trying to learn how to trade. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing, but I do know a few things that I've learned from YouTube, TradingView, etc. So basically what we're looking at is come back up here to the beginning of the trading day. We immediately started floating up to the upside, and then we came back down, tested this support level twice, actually 3 times. This started at 9:30 roughly and continued on until about 11:50, and then it just absolutely blew out the support level, came down here, tested this new level, and proceeded to then bounce off this, well, what is now, I guess that would be considered a resistance level. But so basically when I see in this, which I'm not putting any, like, I don't have any cash on this or anything, I'm just trying to learn, but I said, okay, well, because I don't know what I'm talking about, because I don't know what I'm doing, I just said, this looks like what they were talking about on the videos. It would have been more in concrete if I would have seen it a few times, but people were around and I just kind of, so I said, you know what? I predict that it's going to come all the way down. I drew this out. I'm going to say it's going to come all the way down and it's going to kiss this blue line. I said that right about 12:50. And so it did, it bounced around a little bit and it started to come down, and I got super excited, and it came down here and it just didn't quite make it all the way down to the blue line. I was so convinced that it was going to before it starts floating to the upside. But if we look at the 2-minute chart, or even actually the 3-minute chart, honestly, that's not too bad. I'm honestly happy with that, because if I would have, wouldn't have been so worried about it coming all the way down to the blue line, I could have said, okay, it's coming. Well, honestly, I probably should have waited to see if it was going to blow through the blue line, but I don't know. I feel like once I started seeing it reverse to the upside, I should have just, in the case that I was actually, trying to make some money, I think that I should have come in somewhere around here. Let's look at that. Yes. So I think I could have come in somewhere around here and just, got out somewhere up here as this, proceeds to swing to the upside. But I have no idea. I do not know what I'm doing, and I'm probably wrong. So we shall see.